Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take a calcium sachet. First, always check the expiration date on your sachet to ensure it's safe and effective. Next, gather your materials. You'll need one sachet and a glass containing about 150 milliliters of water. It's also crucial to read the specific instructions provided on your sachet's packaging, as formulations can vary slightly. This preparation ensures you get the full benefit from your calcium supplement. Now, let's mix it. Carefully tear or cut open the sachet along the designated line to avoid spillage. Then, gently pour the entire contents of the sachet into your glass of water. It's important to get all the powder out. Stir the mixture thoroughly with a spoon for about 30 seconds until the powder completely dissolves. You should see a clear or slightly cloudy solution with no visible clumps remaining. Once dissolved, drink the calcium mixture immediately. For optimal absorption, many calcium supplements are best taken with a meal. This can help reduce potential stomach upset and enhance the body's ability to utilize the calcium. Also, remember to avoid taking calcium supplements at the exact same time as iron supplements, as they can interfere with each other's absorption. Consult your doctor for personalized timing advice. Finally, a few important considerations. Always adhere to the recommended daily dosage specified on your sachet's packaging. Exceeding it can be harmful. Store your calcium sachets in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture, to maintain their efficacy. If you experience any unusual side effects or have questions about your calcium intake, please consult a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Your health is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.